Don't you just love the modern technology and how fast it's developing each and every day? All these new trending and popular softwares we use daily, like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Google, and so on. They're part of our lives in this modern world. But besides just using those softwares, did you know that you could also share your opinion about them and then earn money by doing that? I do believe that this is a very good and easy way on how to earn extra income. And that's why I've decided to show you how you can actually do it just in the comfort of your home. This new method I'm about to show you in this video is absolutely free for anyone from anywhere around the globe. I will be sharing this website that pays you for writing reviews about the softwares you already know and use. You don't need to worry about not having any typing skills, as I will also be sharing a bonus tip on how to write the professional review. The website I'm going to show you is very popular and 100% legit. And I also tested out this method on my own. This means you don't need to worry about whether it works or not. The best part is that you can do it on whatever device you prefer. You can use your computer, laptop, or smartphone. Just make sure to have an internet connection as well. Keep in mind to watch the whole video and not to miss any important details I'm sharing with you in this video. You can now continue watching. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where I teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns or questions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can now go over to this website, that is G2.com. G2 is the largest and most trusted software marketplace, helping 60 million people every year make smarter software decisions based on their authentic peer reviews. And they also allow all their verified users to get paid for their honest reviews. On this website, you can see a list of the most popular software categories. And in here, you can see the average rating for each software that are being rated from 1 to 5 stars. As I talked about before, you can also earn money by rating and reviewing softwares on this site. You can do this process every day until you reach your desired amount of money. Writing a review about the software is actually a quite easy thing to do. I will also be sharing a tip on how to do it in a simpler and faster way. It's time to show how to write your first review. To do that, you need to scroll down until you can see this button here that says Write a Review. Simply click on it. After doing that, you'll be taken to this next page where at the top you can see all the steps you need to follow. These are choosing the software, then writing a review about it. After that, you need to share it on LinkedIn and then you're done. And in here, you can find all these categories where you can find the software you want to write the review about. There are several categories you can choose from, like advertising, marketing, sales, software development, media and communication, and so many more. I would prefer this category here, that is media and communication. You can just pick out the category the software belongs to by clicking on it. Once you have done that, you can see this page with all these different softwares that have been divided into categories in here. You can now choose the software you know or have used and then click on it. You can now see it in here. Or if you can't find the software, you can also click on this blue button here to search for the one you're looking for by typing into this box here. I would like to search for Google Translate. When you see it in the search results, then you can click on this little box here and then on Done. Now you can see it over here. I will be choosing this one software. But if you want, you can select several ones and then proceed by clicking on Continue. You have been redirected to this next page where they are asking you to write the review on one of the softwares you use. Here you can see the software you have picked out, and you need to click on Review to continue. But before you can start reviewing it, you need to create the free account at G2.com. Just click this blue button here that says Continue to log in. You will be redirected to this page where you have 3 options to sign up. You can do that with your LinkedIn or Google account, or you can also use your email address to sign up. Just choose one of them to create your account, and then we can proceed with writing the review. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Once you have logged into your new account at G2.com, then you can go on with the reviewing process. On this page, they would like you to rate from 1 to 10 on how you would recommend your software to a friend or a colleague. Simply click on one of these numbers here. I would give it a 10. I 100% recommend it to others. It's a very good software, and I'm using it every day. Here you can type a short sentence or a few words on how you would title your review. And when you have filled in that section, then click on Next to continue filling in the rest of the review. Right here, they would like to know, what do you like best about this software, and what do you dislike? You can write the first thing that comes to your mind. Just type a few sentences. They don't have to be long, because you need to write the text that has at least 40 characters in it. I would like to share this tip with you. That is a big help if you really don't know how to write your review and answer to these questions. You can go over to g2.com and see what others have said about the same software. You can do that by going to the homepage and search for the software in here. Now you can see what other users have said about it. Then you have the chance to get an idea on how to write your review. Don't copy them, just read some of them in here, and I'm sure you'll get inspired by them and know what to write on your own. They have answered to the same questions you need to answer right now. Here are hundreds of reviews you can read and get an overview and know how to write yours. You can use the same method by going over to Google and search for others' reviews about the software you need to give a rating and write the review. I do believe this will help you a lot. When you have filled in that section here, then you can click on Next to answer to the rest of the questions on this page. The reviewing process itself is quite short, as you can see yourself. There are only a few questions you need to answer to with a few short sentences, and some other questions that you need to give a yes or no answer. There are also these kind of questions where you need to answer by rating from 1 to 10. And when you have filled in everything on this page, then make sure to also check this box here to agree with their terms of use and privacy policy. And finally, you can submit the whole review and then get paid for doing that. You can repeat the same process so many times as you want with other softwares on this website. The more reviews you write, the more money you will make. And that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.